What's going on, guys? Tony here, back again with a video. Shout out to Team Pixel. This video we're going to be checking out the Google Pixel Buds. So we're going to go ahead and do a quick unboxing. I've heard a lot of great things about these, and then we're going to pair them up and see how they sound. Just a quick video. So yeah, let's go ahead and take the plastic off here. See what we get in this little box. Shout out to Team Pixel once again. Hashtag made by Google. One of my devices might have went off, and here is the packaging. Let's check this out. Google Pixel Buds on deck. Initial impressions, they feel pretty nice. There's a nice little weight to them. Let's go ahead and peel this plastic wrapper off if I could find out where it's at. Oh, here it is. And slide these out. And here they are. Pixel Buds. You can see that they're blinking, a little amber light. I guess they're going into pairing mode. And I got a notification. I believe, yes, I got a notification on my Pixel 5, but we're not gonna pair them to the Pixel 5. We're gonna pair them to the Pixel 4a. So let me go ahead and enter my password. And it's booting up. I just turned it on. So I'll do that again, and it should pop up on the screen here. But yeah, they feel kind of like the same textured material that's on the Pixel 5. There we go. So they popped up on my Google Pixel 4a right there. You guys can see them. I'm gonna tap there and to see if they connect that easy and that quick. That's my dog in the background, by the way. Connected to Tony Pixel Buds. Tap to finish setup. Okay, put these down for a second. And we are going to tap to finish setup. Welcome to your new Pixel Buds. So we have this pop up, and then it says you can start setup. I agree. Try on your Pixel Buds. So let me put this on the stand real quick. And I'll go ahead and pop one out. Try it on my ear. They already have a little silicone on there. Okay, that one fit real nicely. I tried the other one. They both in my ears right now. Here's the adjustment. I'll probably be switching out one of these later. You can raise the volume by swiping forward. Let me try that. Okay, swipe forward, volume goes up. Swipe down, volume goes down. Pretty nice. And then to skip track or end calls or reject calls, double tap either earbud. Okay, it skipped. Triple tap to go back. 1, 2, 3. Okay, pretty much set up. Charging status. Microphones, there's 2 microphones on there. I accept. You can get the assistant, always listening, I guess. Allow access. Done. Okay. So here we are. We also have some information here which gives you this battery status on both of them. And it gives you some of the adaptive sound feature in ear, all this good stuff. So yeah, look at that. Contact sharing. So I'm gonna go ahead and try these out for a little bit. So far they fit in my ears pretty good. Let's go back into the package here and see what we get in here. We get the extra ear tips, which I definitely need, and the cable, which is nicely wrapped underneath the package here. And we also have some reading information, startup guide, I guess. But yeah, there it is. Pixel Buds on deck. I will be testing these out and give you guys my opinions on them later on. But so far they fit in my ear pretty good. I may be needing to change one of these ear tips. And let's play some music real quick in my ears so I can kind of hear the sound. Sounds pretty good. Skip tracks. Volume up, volume down. This is pretty convenient. I like these features. I paused it. Okay, so they sound pretty good so far. I may need to switch out these ear tips and put the larger ones in. Let me go ahead and try that, because these fit real nice, but these are like the medium size. So I'm definitely gonna switch these out right now and see if there is different sound quality, which I'm pretty sure these are gonna have a better seal for my ear canal. And let's see, let me try one side in. Oh, definitely a big improvement. Do the other side. So yeah, when you're trying earbuds, you always want to try the different tips because they always seal better. Okay, let me try now. Oh yeah, they sound a lot better. All right, guys, there it is. Pixel Buds on deck. I'm gonna go ahead and try these out for a little while and come back with a later video. Hope you guys enjoyed this. We out.